Bradley Jones here with the law firm of Doubek, Pyfer, Storrar in Helena, Montana. Coming to you today from a trucking school in Billings, Montana. We're here talking about why we went so far as to get our CDL, our commercial driver's license. Well, at our law firm, our motto is helping injured people heal. Now, we see that as more than just being attorneys, more than just being litigators. We see it as seeing the whole process through for our clients. That means from the first conversation that we have with you all the way through an ultimate settlement, or if it goes to trial. It means doing the absolute best that we can to know the subject matter, to know how creative we can get and how we can pursue every avenue to get you the justice that you deserve. Getting a CDL is not an easy process. It takes many hours of work. In fact, our law firm is one of the only ones in America that is going so far as to get our CDL. So why would we do that? Well, we think that it's helpful to understand the regulations, to understand what would be in the mind of an at-fault, a negligent truck driver, what would be in the mind of an at-fault company. So by learning how to drive a truck, by getting our CDL, we know how these trucks are going to handle, how they're going to stop, how they're going to turn, and to some degree, how they're going to perform. Ultimately, that helps us set the scene better to understand what happened. To be able to get you the justice that you deserve, the first step is we have to actually understand what happened. So we are going the extra mile, literally, and in this case metaphorically, and in this case literally, to get you the justice you deserve. We ask you to put your trust in us and to be able to give you the confidence that we're going to see it through to get you the justice that you deserve. We think that getting our commercial driver's licenses are a necessary step. And so we just ask you to give us that chance and help us help you see this through.